In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. So the first thing that you want to do here is just open up any document that you want to edit to use your Grammarly application. So if you want this a notification here that says open with Grammarly, because right now I can actually integrate Grammarly on my Google Docs here. So for the first thing that you want to do is actually install Grammarly on your web browser. Since Google Docs is online, we want to install this on our browser. So preferably we want to install this via the Google Chrome browser. It's a lot easier. So just use Google Chrome, and from here to actually install this, just type in Grammarly. Sorry, wrong spelling. Grammarly for Chrome. And from here, you want to choose the first link, which is Grammarly for Chrome, and just click on Add Chrome. It's free. And here, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Just click on the install extension. So once you've installed that, you just need to go back to your Google Docs. You might need to reload this page for it to work. So once you've done that, you should now be able to use Grammarly on your Google Docs. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.